So now we're on to the second half of resurfacing the concrete using a self-smoothing screed. In fact, here's the man himself having a go. Okay, Mike, so you can see that they are laying that 3 mil of self-smoother. Are you happy so far?
My workshop is just transforming in front of my eyes. It's going from a space that was kind of tired to a space that looks like it should be in the Formula One paddock. It really, it really does. But yeah, I'm very excited about it. I've got a couple of things that I need to know. In terms of this 3 mil system, how long will it take to dry?
So for foot traffic, it's about 24 hours in lovely weather conditions such as these, and then about 48 hours for vehicles.
Okay, so vehicles 48 hours, that's quite quick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. And what can I drive on here in 48 hours time? You know, what vehicles would this new floor of mine take?
Yeah, it can take quite a lot of medium to heavy traffic, so your cars, your forklift trucks, things like that.
Really?
Yeah.
A forklift truck?
Yeah.
So I can pull a tank in and work on it?
Yeah, if you wanted to.
Oh, that is fantastic. Just got to get the rest of it done. This is Kate like this, but Kate is now going to put a boiler suit on and Kate's just going to dig in and do the rest.
Unfortunately, the boiler suit did not go with the rest of my outfit.
Well, end of day 2, a fantastic day today. You've managed to get half of the floor laid down.
Yeah.
And you even had me doing a little bit as well, which was lovely.
The best bit of the floor, to be fair.
Exactly, he had a nice smooth, thank you very much, Paul.
Yeah.
Smoothest
Well,
bit
you've
of
got
the
a
floor.
job.
So for you, laying down this resin coat, is it a nice, easy product to lay down?
Yeah. I mean, temperature helps in the winter. It can be a bit awkward, but conditions have been good. It's gone down nice. Yeah,
Lovely.
Enjoyed it.
Lovely. Well, it looks amazing. I can't wait to see the other half getting done, and we're aiming on doing that side of it tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then this will be set, that'll be set. We can put the top coat on.
Top coat goes on. You'll get your lifts in. We'll come back, tidy it all up. Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Job done.
Yeah, lovely.